Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Pulse, and let me show you how to enable here power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start here by using the home screen. Here you need to use the upper bar twice and tap on the battery icon. Here you've got the battery information. So for example, you can here read the battery consumption, and you can also use more key and select battery saver. Let's enable the battery saver by using the following switcher, and now you can use the battery saver. Here you've got the following stripe, so it means the battery saver is activated. You can also disable this mode in the same way. What's also really important to help improve the battery life, battery saver reduces your device performance and limits vibrations, location services and most background data. You can also turn on automatically battery saver when you have 5% of the battery or 15%. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.